Hello everyone! Another something special ang ating iluluto ngayon. At ito ang Filipino Creamy Carbonara. Loaded with crisp bacon, mushroom, and flavorful cream sauce. Meron tayong fettuccine pasta, bacon, garlic, white onion at mushroom, parmesan, cooking cream, butter, egg yolk, parsley, salt, and pepper. Unang step natin, ilagay natin sa mainit na pan ang ating bacon at hayaan itong maging brown and crispy. No need to put oil. Ayan guys, kapag brown and crispy na ito, iset aside na natin ang bacon at discard ang oil nito. Next step ay ilagay na natin ang butter sa mainit na pan at ilagay ang white onion. Isaute natin ito until soft or caramelized. Next nating ilagay ang garlic, mushroom, at isaute ito for 3 minutes. Ilagay na natin ulit ang ating bacon at maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup of reserved water sa pinagpakuluan ng pasta. Ilagay na rin natin ang cooking cream. Pagkatapos, timplahan na rin natin ito ng salt and pepper and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes or until maging malapot na ang ating sauce. Pag malapot na ang sauce, i-adjust lang natin ulit ang ating salt and pepper. Or hanggang makuha natin ang desired na alat nito. At ilalagay na rin natin ang egg yolk para mas maging creamy ang ating sauce. Haluin natin itong maigi para hindi ito mamuo sa ilalim. Pwede na rin nating ilagay ang parmesan cheese. At ready to serve na ang ating creamy carbonara. Napakasarap talaga ng creamy carbonara, and everyone who tried it is so much satisfied. You can actually cook this up for any house party. So delicious! Happy cooking and enjoy! Thank you for supporting our channel, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share button, and help other friends discover great recipes. Bye!